Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today on Reading with Wyatt. Please remember to like and subscribe. Our book today is My First Zoo Animals. Lions roar loudly and have beautiful manes. Kangaroos jump high and love to play games. Elephants are gray and grow big and tall. Some snakes are long and some snakes are small. Hippos love mud and bask on the shore. Jaguars roam the jungle, they love to explore. Tigers are orange with stripes that are black. Cheetahs are speedy with spots on their back. Polar bears live up north where there's lots of snow. Penguins love dancing, just look at them go. Alligators like sleeping on a big sunny rock. Frogs call out ribbit and go hippity hop. Zebras are graceful with beautiful stripes. Anteaters eat bugs, no matter what type. Turtles wear shells and like to swim deep. Otters hold hands with their friends while they sleep. Koalas are cuddly and they love to play. Sloths are so sleepy, they snooze all day. Rhinos have a horn that's thick, hard, and tough. Pandas eat bamboo. It's their favorite stuff. My First Zoo Animals. This book is full of animals just for you. Enjoy your first adventure at the zoo. Thank you for joining us today with Reading with Wyatt. Have a great day, and please remember to like and subscribe.